Mark A. Foltz. Today we're going to paint what's called shortcuts. And when I was a kid, I had to learn all the shortcuts when I moved into my new neighborhood, and this painting kind of reflects that. And so I actually made a shortcut by painting the canvas first and getting all my tape lined up pretty ahead of time. So we're gonna take a little shortcut there too to save time on the video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let's get this thing going on the road here. I'm gonna basically smoke it out with red, and then I'm gonna go around it a little bit and smoke the corners with dark black, and finish it off, finalize it with a little bit of marbleizing spray. We're a math people. This stuff will kill you. Now I don't want to go too heavy with this red because what I want to do is just give a shadow. So let's kind of just make sure you have enough to kind of get what you're after. You see that? It's kind of a light. You really want to be outside when you do this. Ooh, give me a breaker. Eventually, I'm going to give you that little spray pump that I saw on Jerry's Artorama. Pretty handy little tool. You want to make sure those lines are straight. Like I said, that's pretty good. I don't want it too thick. Got a little heavy there. I think we have that. Whew, my goodness. Yeah, we're done. So I hit it again. Looks pretty good. I think I got these edges here now. Okay, we're gonna let the air clear out a little bit. Jeez Louise. Let's clear it off the rag. Wow. Little cloud in here. Holy moly. Okay, let's get the, now we're gonna smoke it with black right around these edges. Try to stay close to the edge. A little dust outward. Okay, and then we're going to pick the canvas up. We don't want it to get, I don't want to get striations in the painting. We want to make sure we have a nice equal smoking around the edges. There we go. There we go. Keep on going. There we go. That's all you want, some slight smoke in there. There we go. Looks pretty good. Whew. Clear out, people. Okay, so I have a directional arrow that I drew on there, so I know where I'm at. This is the right side up here, so you kind of know where we're at there. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off with this marbleizing spray right around the edges again. You want to start out with your edges first, and then the whole piece, of course. I used to use this stuff in the 70s for lamps and stuff. And I thought it was just fascinating. And I kind of don't want to lose it. So I'm going to buy this stuff up as much as I can. It's just a really good effect. And then again, all over the whole piece. Keep it moving. There we go with that. Now, to unveil the brightness of it by pulling all this tape off. A little tedious, but we're going to try to pull it off carefully. It's real good tape, so you want to use good tape. It has a good side and a downside to it. It's really hard to get off. That's kind of a problem. But it sticks when you need it to. See that brightness? It's just way wild. Let me just throw that on the ground for now. There's another piece. Woo! It reveals that light. Another piece. Oh, wow. Almost had it in one strip. Almost had it in one strip. Almost. Okay. Pretty cool. Liking it. And you definitely want to pull this off before it really dries, or it's really hard to come off. So pull your tape off right afterwards. Oh my god, stuff's sticky too. Careful with it. Straight out. Nice and clean. That's what you want there. There we go. Cool. 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 Move it along. And moving right along. Thought I was. Okay. Cool. It's looking really cool. Getting dry, so we start to pull. Yeah, you little burger there. A burger there. Can't get it off. There we go. That was a little tough one there. I think we got a couple more. Let's flip the canvas around. Larger piece. Down to the finish line. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I think we got them all. Let's look and make sure. Let's see if it's right side up here. Yep, it's right side up. And there we have it, peeps. Shortcuts.